Hello students, in this video we will solve the previous year questions from the chapter pair of linear equations in two variables. First one, solve the following system of linear equations. Here two equations are given. Either you can use substitution method or elimination method. Here I am using the elimination method. In elimination method, what do? You will make the coefficients of any one variable same. So we'll take the first equation, 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. This is the first equation. And the second equation is 5p minus 4q is equal to minus 2. This is the second equation. So I want to eliminate the variable p. So I am multiplying the first equation with 5 and the second equation with 2. And I will subtract these two. I will get 10p plus 15q is equal to 65 and 10p minus 8q is equal to minus 4. I will subtract these two equations. I will get 10p minus 10p is 0 and 15p plus 8q. Here minus into minus will be plus. So 15q plus 8q is equal to 65, minus into minus plus. Okay. It is 23q is equal to 69. Here we get q is equal to 69 by 23. It is 3. And we will substitute this q value in first equation. We get 2p plus 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is equal to 13. We get 2p is equal to 13 minus 9. It is 4. So p is equal to 4 by 2, it is 2. Therefore, p value is 2 and q value is 3. Next one, solve the pair of equations x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 7 graphically. Here the first equation is x is equal to 5. We can write this as x plus 0y is equal to 5. Now we will take the x and y values. Okay. See, in this equation x plus 0y is equal to 5. If you take y as 0, what do you get? X plus 0 is equal to 5. Okay. And if you take y as 1, what do you get? X plus 0 into 1 is 0. Okay. So we'll get x is equal to 5. So y can be either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or any number. X value will be 5. Okay. Y can be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. X value will be always 5. Okay. Now we will take the second equation, y is equal to 7. This equation can be written as 0x plus y is equal to 7. Okay. Now we will take the values of x and y. Okay. If x is equal to 0, what will be the y value? 0 into 0 is 0 plus y is equal to 7. Okay. And if x is equal to 1, what will be the y value? See, 0 into 1 plus y is equal to 7. So y is equal to 7. Okay. For any value of x, the y value will be 7. If you take x as 0, y will be 7. If you take x as 1, y value will be 7. If you take x as 2, y value will be 7. If you take x as 3, y value will be 7. Now we will represent these values on a graph. See, for these values, if x is equal to 5, y is equal to 0. Okay. And if x is equal to 5, y is equal to 1. Okay. If x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2. If x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3. Okay. So this is a straight line. This is the straight line. Okay. Now we will represent these values. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 7 here. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 7. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to 7. Now we will join these points. It will be this. Okay. Now we will extend this line. Okay. So this lines, this pair of equations are meeting at one point. Okay. These pair of equations are consistent. So what is this point? It is 5, 7. Okay. See, the x-axis is 5 units and the y-axis is 7 units. So 5, 7 is the solution. Next one. Using graphical method, find whether pair of equations x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3 is consistent or not. Okay, we will take the first equation, x is equal to 0. Okay, this equation can be written as x plus 0, y is equal to 0. Now we will take values of x and y. The equation is x plus 0, y is equal to 0. Okay, if you take y is 0, see, x plus 0 into 0 is 0. See, x is equal to 0. And if you take y is equal to 1, you get x plus 0 into 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. Okay, if you take y is 2, you get x plus 0 into 2 is equal to 0. You get x is equal to 0. Okay, see, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. Okay, and for this one, x is 0, y is 1. And for this, x is 0, y is 2. Okay, now we will take the second equation. It is y is equal to minus 3. You can write this as 0x plus y is equal to minus 3. We will take the values of x and y. Okay, here the equation is 0x plus y is minus 3. If you take x as 0, what do you get? What do you get? 0 into 0 plus y is equal to minus 3. Okay, if you take x as 1, you get 0 into 1 plus y is equal to minus 3. You get y is equal to minus 3. Okay, see, for any value of x, y value will be minus 3. Okay, y value is minus 3. X can be 0, 1, 2 or 3. Now we will represent these two values on a graph. See, for the first equation values, x comma y is 0 comma 0. This is the point. And the next one is 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1. The next point is 0 comma 2. Okay, so this is the line. Okay, y-axis is the line. And for the second equation, 0 comma minus 3, 0 comma minus 3, this is the point. This is the point. And 1 comma minus 3, 1 comma minus 3, this is the point. 2 comma minus 3, this is the point. 3 comma minus 3, this is the point. Okay, now we will join these points. It will be this. Okay, these two lines are intersecting at this point. Okay, these two lines are intersecting at point 0 comma minus 3. Okay, so these two lines are consistent. Okay, next one. 3 chairs and 1 table cost is 900, whereas 5 chairs and 3 tables cost is 2100. 1 chair cost is x and 1 table cost is y. Now we will represent this in a equation. It is 3 chairs, 3 into x plus 1 table plus y is equal to 900. And this one, 5 chairs, 5x plus 3 tables, 3y is equal to 2100. Okay, these two are the equations. Okay, now see, third option is the correct one. 3x plus y is 900 and 5x plus 3y is 2100. Next one. The pair of equations represent parallel lines where a and b are integers. Okay, what is the condition for parallel lines? It is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, this is the condition for parallel lines. And what is the condition for coincident lines? What is the condition for coincident lines? It is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. What is the condition for intersecting lines? What is the condition for intersecting lines? It is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, in the question it is told that these equations are parallel lines, so we will use this condition. It is a1 is the coefficient of x. Okay, it is a2 is the coefficient of x in the second equation by 3 is equal to b1 is the coefficient of y, it is 2, b2 is the coefficient of y in the second equation by b not equal to c1 is minus 9. If you bring 9 to the left side, it will be minus 9. If you bring minus 18 to the left side, it will be minus 18. c1 is minus 9, c2 is minus 18. Now we will solve this too. We will get ab is equal to 3 into 2. Okay, when you cross multiply, we will get ab is equal to 6. Okay, a fourth option. Next one. Half of the difference between two numbers is 2. The sum of the greater number and twice the smaller number is 13. Find the numbers. So let the numbers be a and b. Okay. Half of the difference. Half of the difference. Difference means a minus b is equal to 2. So when you solve, you will get a minus b is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. And the second condition is sum of the greater number. Okay, let a be the greater number and b be the smaller number. Greater number a plus twice, 2 times the smaller number is equal to 13. You will get a plus 2b is equal to 13. Okay, see, these are the two equations. So in these two equations we have a. So we will directly subtract first and second equation so that a can be eliminated. We get a minus b is equal to 4 and a plus 2b is equal to 13. We will subtract these two equations. We will get a minus a is 0 and minus b minus 2b is equal to 4 minus 13. Minus 3b is equal to minus 9. You get b is equal to minus 9 by minus 3. It is 3. Okay, you substitute b value in the first equation. You get a minus b is 3 is equal to 4. You get a is equal to 4 plus 3, that is 7. So here we get two numbers as 7 and 3. Okay, that's it. We end this session here. Thank you.